Madras High Court has quashed 5 government orders that allowed construction of marriage halls utilizing temple funds. The court held that the government is bound to utilize temple funds only for maintaining or developing as far as temple, the temple area is concerned or connected to religious purposes. To know more on this, we have Radhika Ramaswamy joining us. Radhika, take us through, the High Court there completely quashing the directives and the orders by M.K. Stalin.
That's right. It is a significant order by the Madras High Court. In fact, a division bench of the Madras High Court are striking down government orders which allowed the construction of marriage halls using temple funds. In fact, the court stated that as per the Tamil Nadu Hindu Marriage Act, the temple funds can only be used for charitable and religious purposes, including, religious functions, rituals, as well as to help the poor, needy, and also to feed the devotees, and also maintenance of temples. But besides that, it cannot be used for the purpose or intention to make money. And in the case of marriage halls, the whole purpose is commercial. The intention is to make money and make profits, which will get diverted to the government's treasury. So that is something that is illegal, since it is non-charitable as well as non-religious. The government also stated that these are not public funds or government funds. In fact, this temple fund belongs to deity, and deity is a minor, and therefore it is the prerogative of the court to protect the interests of the deity. Of course, the state government did argue, stating that marriage is religious purpose, but that was rubbished by the court, saying that it is non-charitable and the whole purpose is to make profits out of it. So at this point, we know for a fact that state government had allowed 80 crore rupees had been sanctioned for temple funds for marriage halls using temple funds. In fact, at least about 27 temples, marriage halls had to be constructed across the temples at a cost of rupees 80 crore, and that is something the court is not willing to allow. So it is a setback as far as the Stalin government is concerned. With this order, the state government will not be able to use temple funds for construction of marriage halls.